Have you ever heard of a roasted butternut squash soup? Have you ever made one? Does it sound healthy? Back in a minute with the recipe. Hi, this is Jan from New York City. My channel name is Jan from New York City Saves Money, and I love, love, love helping people to keep some more of their hard earned money. And it's Monday night. That means it's soup recipe night. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Have another recipe from this book. There you go. And by the way, if you've never had a roasted butternut squash soup, listen, do you like roasted butternut squash? I do. I think it's great. So who wouldn't want to enjoy it as a soup? There you go. And it's not meat, and you're not breaking the bank either. So let me get on my teacher glasses while you get yourself a pen or a pencil, or just give a listen. So this is going to serve 4 people, and the total time is 40 minutes. All right, you're going to need 1 large butternut squash, peeled and cubed, seeds removed. Going to need 2 potatoes, peeled and chopped. Excuse me. 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, divided. And now that I know what that means. Going to need kosher salt. Going to need freshly ground black pepper. 1 tablespoon of butter. 1 medium onion, chopped. 1 stalk of celery, thinly sliced. 1 large carrot, peeled and chopped. 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme, plus more for garnish. And 4 cups of low sodium chicken broth. You're going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees, and on a large baking sheet, toss butternut squash and potatoes with 2 tablespoons of oil and season generously with salt and pepper. You're going to roast it until tender for about 25 minutes. Then, meanwhile, in a large pot over medium heat, you're going to melt butter and remaining tablespoon of oil. You're going to add onion, celery, and carrot and cook until softened, 7 to 10 minutes. You're going to season with salt, pepper, and thyme. Then you're going to add the roasted squash and the potatoes and pour over the chicken broth. Simmer for 10 minutes. Then using an immersion blender, those are very handy, by the way. Using an immersion blender, blend the soup until smooth and creamy. Alternatively, carefully transfer batches of the hot soup to the blender. You have to forgive my allergies, excuse me. Then you're going to garnish with thyme before serving. Hello, yum. Does that not look good, or does that not look good? Very affordable, very healthy sounding, very hearty, perfect for the fall or moments when you want to think about the fall, even in the spring, any time of the year. And I could definitely use a cup of soup because my allergies are acting up, and please forgive me. You know what I say? I say this. If you found value in this video, don't forget to smash down the like button. But we also need to do a little bit more what this lady does. Till next Monday night. See you then. Have a great evening. Good night.